In this video, we are going to see how to receive a notification with your daily Fitbit activity record. So let's say you're using Fitbit as your fitness tracker, activity tracker, and every time there's a new activity. So every day at a particular time, you will receive a WhatsApp message talking about how many calories have you burned. Now, how can you do this? For this, you will have to integrate these two applications. The same can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be Fitbit and your action application would be WhatsApp. Now, how can you do this yourself? Integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we enter this website, here we can see sign in and sign up for free. So if you already have an account, simply sign in. If you are a new user, then you will have to click on the sign up tab, create your own account. It will not take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. Now, since I already have an account here, I'm simply going to click on sign in. And as I do that, here we have reached all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Once we have done that, here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Let's click on create workflow, and now I'm going to name this workflow. So basically my objective is that I should receive daily Fitbit record activity on WhatsApp. So here I'm going to name this workflow as Fitbit WhatsApp integration. And then let's click on create. Once we do that, we have reached another window which has got two very important events. One is trigger and another one is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. So trigger is when this happens and action is do this. So here my trigger application, the first application would be schedule. Now this is what and why. So this is a feature, and here we are using this. Why? Because I want this workflow to run every day at a particular time. So here I'm going to select every day, and let's say the time is 8 o'clock. Let's click on save. As soon as we do that, here we can see that my workflow is going to run every day. This is the UTC time and this is the local time, and that is it. So once we are done with this, now what is my objective? To record my Fitbit activity. So I'm going to choose my next application as Fitbit. Let's click on this, and now the action event would be to get activity summary by date. Let's click on connect, and now here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Fitbit account. Let's click on add new connection and connect with Fitbit. Now once we are here, again we have to provide it the access. Let's click on allow on and then allow. As soon as we do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Pabbly Connect is now connected with Fitbit. Now here it is asking me for the date. So we do not have the date here. So I'm going to add another action step to fetch the current date. Here we are going to use a feature by Pabbly, date time formatter. Now the action event here would be current date. Let's click on connect. As soon as we do that, this is the format in which we need the date. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here we have received the current date. Now I'm going to refresh this connection quickly. And here I'm going to map the date from the second step. So here you can see mapping means that I already have this information in my previous step and I'm just going to retrieve it here. So let's click on this and select the date. Click on save and send test request. As soon as we do that, here you can see that we have received some information. So if I take you back to Fitbit account, so this is the dashboard. And now here you can see that these are the recent exercises that I have done and information. 840 calories and 60 kg weight and etc. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, here we can see that the goals active minutes is 30 minutes, the calories out this much, goal distance is this much, calories burned 860, which means we have received the recent data. Now I wish that this data should be received by my client who is using Fitbit watch on his WhatsApp. So let's click on add action step, and this time my action step would be WhatsApp Cloud API. So this is my action application. Now the event would be to send a template message. Let's click on connect. Again here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the WhatsApp Cloud API account. So let's click on add new connection. To set up this connection, it is asking for a token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now to receive this, we have to sign in Meta for Developers page. So now I'm going to quickly show you that page. So this is Meta for Developers page. Here I'm going to go to my applications. And you can see I have created a few. You can create your own application by clicking on this green tab. So I'm going to click on this first app that I had created. And here on the left hand side, you can see WhatsApp. Let's click on the drop down, click on getting started. So once we are here, you can see here that we require the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID, and it is all here. But there is one very important thing that you need to keep in your mind. This is just a temporary access token, which means that if you create your workflow using this, your workflow will expire in 23 hours. It will stop working after the day. For this, you have to create a permanent access token, and the same can be created by watching the video which is given in the video description. The step-by-step process is given. It would be very easy for you to create it. Now I'm going to copy this. Why? Because this is just a test run. Going back to Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it over here. Then the phone number ID. So again, let's copy the phone number ID, go back and paste it over here. And then the WhatsApp business account ID. Here, let's paste it. Click on save. So as soon as we do that, here we can see that Pabbly Connect and WhatsApp Cloud API are now connected. So these template names now. What are these template names? So basically, the pre-written message that you can share with your clients are known as templates, so that you can share them every time and you don't have to write it again and again. Now here I have already created a template. I'm going to show it to you first. Going to our Facebook Meta for Developers page. Going to the second step, we have the hyperlink. Click here. Let's click on this. And now here you can see a few templates that I've already created. If you wish to create your own template, you can click on this tab, create template. Now here I have created a template. The name is Fitbit Update Daily. Here I haven't chosen any header. You can choose a video or you can choose any other PDF file or image. Then in the body I have written hello, and then you can see a number within double curly braces. According to Fitbit stats, your fitness journey is going well. You have burnt, again there is a number within curly braces, calories yesterday. Thank you, keep it up. Now what are these numbers? These numbers are variables. Of course, with every client, the name would be changed. Also, even if it is with the same client, the amount of calories burned every day would be changed. So, numbers are written within curly braces to identify or to specify the variables. Now, here let's check the preview. It is going to appear something like this. Hello Akash. According to Fitbit stats, your fitness journey is going well. You have burned 200 calories yesterday. Thank you. Keep it up. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, I'm going to look for Fitbit Update Daily. So once done, here we can see that the language code has already been captured, and so is the selected template ID. Now here we have to mention the mobile number. So I'm going to now mention the mobile number. Remember that you have to mention the mobile number along with the country code but without the plus sign. Now the body field, here we can see the name. So I'm going to give a name, Dear Demo. I'm writing this manually. Why? Because obviously the name won't be changed. So if I have the watch with me, so I will receive, every time I'll receive the message under my name only. Now here the calories. For this we are going to map the information. We are going to go to Fitbit Get Activity Summary by Date, and here we have the calories. So the calories out are 2213, or we can say 2213. And again we have the summary calories, which is 860. So this is for my latest activity. I'm going to select this and then click on Save and Send Test Request. As soon as we do that, here you can see there's a screenshot of the message that we have just received, which is hello dear demo. According to Fitbit stats, your fitness journey is going well. You have burned 860 calories yesterday. Thank you. Keep it up. Which basically means that this integration process is a success. So let's say that I have received another activity. So again, every day at 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to receive this information, and you can check it out. You can connect your watch with this and you can keep on getting daily updates. I hope this is very much clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow. The same workflow is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any doubt, you have any suggestion, you can always write to us. I hope this was helpful. To watch more such videos, you can always subscribe to our channel, which is there on YouTube. If you have any queries, you can write to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you want to know our pricing plans, then you can visit us at this particular site. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you have liked this video.